guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul, and today I got a short little video for you guys, right to the point. Another drag racing clip. I'm gonna be doing a more in-depth video on Adam's car. It's a nasty 6-second Cobra, so sit back, enjoy the video, and watch this Cobra fly. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I said, it was just a short video of what's to come, so keep your eyes peeled for the full video. Other than that, you guys know we appreciate you watching our videos. Thank you for the support. Smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.